How to know the Leiditech TSS Thyristor Surge Suppressors Datasheet. Please follow us and comment. Then you will receive more useful technical. This is TSS package. Shanghai Leiditech logo. Leiditech logo and part number will be on the label and on the reel of Leiditech's all of the products. Thyristor Surge Suppressors is abbreviated as TSS. TSS is a switching device, which is equivalent to an open circuit when not working and an instantaneous short circuit when working. It is mainly used for overvoltage and overcurrent protection of signal lines. This is the part number. Same package with discontinuous voltage TSS model. Different voltage production processes and materials have different choices, and the cost is also very different. Take attention to below key parameter. Product dimensions. Packaging. TSS packages including SOD123, SMA, SMB, SOP8, TO92, DO15, DO27 and so on. Leiditech mainly promotes SMD package TSS. Minimum packaging. Generally, this package is 3000 PCS per row, and the real diameter is 330 m. TSS features fast response, stable electrical characteristics, high reliability, low capacitance, and because TSS is a switching device, it will not be damaged by overvoltage. TSS is mainly used for overvoltage lightning protection in telecommunication industry and data communication. VDRM, maximum shutdown voltage, the maximum voltage that keeps the TSS in the off state. VDRM must be greater than the maximum operating voltage of the protected circuit. VS, corner voltage, the maximum voltage that switches the TSS to the on state. The VS of the TSS must be greater than the instantaneous peak voltage that the protected device can tolerate. VT, on voltage, TSS is on and is the maximum voltage across the terminals. Is corner current, the maximum current required for the TSS to switch to the on state. IT on state current, maximum continuous on state current. IH, holding current, the minimum current that keeps TSS in the on state since TIA 968 a 44173 specifies that the semiconductor short circuit current of the terminal equipment cannot exceed 140 mA. The TSS holding current is set at 150 mA. Specific design criteria. The IH of the TSS must be greater than the DC supply operation and short circuit current. IPP, a pulse peak current, the maximum pulse peak current that TSS can withstand for circuits that do not require additional series resistance. The IPP of the TSS must be greater than or equal to the surge rating required by the relevant standard for circuits to increase the series resistance. The IPP of the TSS must be greater than or equal to the actual current at the time of the surge test. Capacitance in off-state. Typical capacitance measured in shutdown, assuming that the critical point of insertion loss is 70% of the original signal value. TSS can be applied to signal lines up to 30 MHz. The operating interface temperature range is -40 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. The storage temperature range is minus 60 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. Under the International Search 10700S waveform, the maximum voltage that can withstand is 8000 volts. Learning makes me progress and makes my mother happy.